Today, I am going to tell you how to get sponsorships, partnerships, collabs, and commissions with the brands that you love, all just in a few steps, all just in a few tips. So, I have a list for you today. Hello, by the way, my name is Rave Kitty. You can call me Rave Kitty or Pearl. I am a full-time content creator, and I've been doing this for a few years now, but I'm lucky to say that I do it full-time and that I make 6 figures as a content creator, and I want to help you with that and tell you how I do that. So it all starts with posting and getting out there and working with the brands that you love. So let me tell you more about that and how you can get there for yourself, because you deserve that. And you know, if you work hard and you want that, I want that for you. So yeah, I've got a few steps here and I'm going to tell you about it today. And yeah, let's get into it. So my first tip here is, if you want to work with brands, tag them. Tag the brands that you genuinely love. If you make high quality content and you're tagging the brands that you love to wear and use and enjoy, they're going to see that and it's going to stand out, even if it takes a long time. You know, some of my best partnerships, sponsorships, collabs, commission has come from brands that I have used for years and have worn for years, and I tagged them for years sometimes before they noticed me. And when my quality of my content got good and they saw it, that came to me and good things came to me because of that. And so I was persistent and I really just put in the time and I tagged them, and I really genuinely recommend that. Everything you wear, everything, you know, if your content is fashion based, because that's mostly what I can recommend on, tag everything you're freaking wearing all the time. Constantly make sure that they notice you, you know, make good content for them and they're going to notice you. I promise. Just keep tagging them. And you know, even still, I tag brands that I want to notice me, and I'm still to this day, every day, always trying to, you know, be seen and by the brands that I adore, love, and want to buy and, you know, would love to work with. So yes, be persistent, tag them, make good content, you know, really show them that you make content that people want to see and that they want to see. And that kind of goes into my second note, which is create high quality content. Brands are going to want to work with someone who's going to make them something top notch, something new, you know, something that is worthy of going on their website, promoting their product, whatever. Like, they want to see something that they would pay someone. And that gets into my next note. Make the content that they want to see and that you would hire or pay if you were in that role. So really put yourself in the shoes and be like, okay, I want to create the content that they would pay someone to make, and that would be high quality and, you know, consistent and great lighting. You know, maybe it's shot well, like on a 4K phone or a camera. You know, try to invest into the equipment that you're creating your content with, because it will pay off, you know, for those brands to see. But even just in the beginning, a cell phone works. You've got good lighting, they are going to see that, they are going to love that. You know, if you put time and effort into maybe the scenery, maybe everything that goes into it, the lighting, you know, what's the vibe, that is all going to show through, and you know, they're going to see that. So really think about, if they were to pay someone, a social media manager, for example, to create them, say it's reels or TikToks or pictures, they're going to hire someone who does something amazing for them and, you know, is up with the trends. Create something that's, you know, that's fresh, that's new, that's, you know, that the internet is going to want to see. Maybe if that's using trending sounds for your reels, or, you know, incorporating a viral trend, use those things, because they're going to see that and it's going to stand out. Like, oh, this person's keeping up with the trends. They're keeping up with all the new content that social media is constantly pumping out every day. Well, I would hire that person because they're keeping up with it and they know, you know, what's new. They're not doing stuff from 2020 TikTok. They're doing stuff in 2024, you know, that's current and relevant. They're not following old trending things, or, you know, it's not outdated. You want somebody that's very updated with what's going on. And that's hard. That's hard. Trends and algorithms and everything you see on your For You page changes every day. So really keeping up with that is studying it by just truly using it. When I'm on my phone, and I'll say this once and I'll say it again, I am studying social media. I am paying attention to what I see, what's trending, what's hot, what's fresh, what looks good, and what brands want to see. I'm paying attention to the videos that they post. I'm paying attention to the pictures that they post, those brands. If you want to work for a brand, see what they post. And that's really ties in with this third note, is that, go in line with something that you can see them using for their page. If you're tagging stuff like that, they're going to see it and they're going to be like, wow, we want them to create stuff for our page. Maybe we'll repost it. Hey, maybe we want to, work with them. Maybe we want to send them some items. Maybe we want to give them commission. Maybe we want to pay them to create a post for us. If you create good content, brands are going to see it. And, the last note that I have to say is one that I did not take into effect in my own content creation life until recently. As I said, I've been doing this full time for 3 years now. But I have, when in doubt, reach out. If you've been tagging a brand for a long time and they're not seeing it, and you're sure, maybe if they're not seeing it because a bunch of people are tagging it and they don't have it to where they can, their settings to where they can see it. Maybe they're just, they haven't seen your content yet. Or maybe, they have seen your content and you want to kind of get through to the business. I say, why not reach out? If you think that you can provide them high quality content and that they could use it, especially for maybe a small business, hey, it never hurts to reach out and be like, hey, I'd be interested in products in exchange for content. I'll create you high quality reels. I'll create you high quality pictures. Now, this is a life hack right here. I'll create you high quality pictures. I'll create you high quality reels. I'll create you high quality TikToks. And I will be current with the trends and I will create you something that is high quality. They are going to consider that, I would think. I would think that, especially if it's, a brand that doesn't have a lot of influencers working for them. It might help both people out. So that's another thing to keep in mind too. Maybe your friend has a small business and, they're just making new clothes and they need someone to create content for them. Hey, help out in that way. Learn by helping out in that way. And the more that you do it, the more that you'll see what you can provide for a brand as well. And that's the part that's really important, is that you want to be an asset. Like when I work with brands, I want to make them proud. I want to make them so proud. Like if I can make anyone proud, it's the brands that I work with, because I am so honored to have that opportunity. And it's something amazing, for me, like to have the opportunity to be maybe sent some clothes or something like that. That's so cool to me. I will do anything that I can to make them proud. And I think that stands out. And I think that it will make them proud because, if you're making yourself proud, and something I will always say, if you're making yourself proud at the end of the day, other people are going to come after and you're going to make other people proud. If you make the high quality content that you say, wow, that looks good. I did that. I nailed that. Then it is going to speak, and other people, brands, all the people that you want to work with, all the dream companies that you would love to have as someone you work with, like that would happen for you if you put in the work for it. I really truly believe that. And I've seen it come to fruition for myself. And even sometimes opportunities stumbled in my path that I did not expect or that I would have never dreamed of. I can certainly say that. Many opportunities have stumbled into my lap that I would have never dreamed of years ago. I manifested this and I made it happen because I worked hard for it and I genuinely wanted it, and I wanted to make those brands proud. Because at the end of the day, like if I'm making myself proud and I'm making them proud, then I know I'm doing what I need to be doing. And I don't know, at the end of the day, like that makes me really happy and it makes me satisfied. And I truly think that's how those tips, if you take them into effect and over time, you'll see the quality of your content get better. And if you want to hire you, then they'll want to hire you. I'll leave it at that. Thank you so much for checking this video out. I hope it made sense. I hope you can take these fun little tips into effect and apply it to your content creation goals and start to see the fruits of your labor and your hard work come to fruition and bring you amazing things, because you deserve it, and the hard work does pay off. It really, really does. It is so hard to see it sometimes. Sometimes it's a light at the end of the tunnel, and but truly I have had amazing things that I would have never believed that I would live to have these opportunities, because I worked hard for it and I was consistent and persistent, and I tagged the brands that I love, that I genuinely enjoyed wearing and rocking, and that stood out for me, and I think that you can do it too. So that's all I could say. I really want the best for you, so definitely make sure you're subscribed so you can get other information like this, because I think that it's a rare thing that people are willing to give you this kind of advice, and you deserve to have it if those are your goals. So definitely subscribe, like this video, give it a comment, and I had so much fun with you. And make sure you're following my Instagram, Pearlescent, at Pearlescent Official. It was great. I hope you follow all your dreams. Bye.